Simple cooking made simple. I'm the Carolina Chef, and we kind of did like a little strawberry theme this week. But how can you go wrong with strawberries? Especially when they're fresh and they're in season, and we're really getting close to that in season time. So your strawberries are going to taste so much better. But just a little tip, if your strawberries are not as sweet as you want and as ripe as you want, add a little sugar and that will pull out that flavor. You can use powdered sugar, artificial sugar, white cane sugar, whatever kind of sugar you want to use. But we made a shortcake, strawberry shortcake. It's so yummy, so tasty. Make sure you check out our other video, strawberry cream pie, and you'll find out how to make whipped cream from scratch. Oh my goodness, it's so good and simple, and this is delicious. So make sure you watch this full video, and if you haven't smashed that like button yet, please do so, and let's play. So let's get started. We're gonna take 2 cups of sugar, some of that white cane, 2 cups of self-rising flour. I know it's a little heaper, but you know, it'll be all right. And then you want to mix your dry ingredients first. It's a simple way to make shortcake. And then we'll start off by adding just 2 cups of whole milk. This is in real good. Oven preheating to 375. Using an 8x11 glass dish. Don't want to over mix this, but you want to make sure you get all your flour mixed up. And then we're going to add a stick of butter. And we add the butter at the last because if you add it in with the milk at first, it's going to lump up. So the flour and the sugar kind of bring the milk up to almost room temp. Then you add your melted butter. So this is nice mixed in. And then we're using a 8x11 glass dish that we've already sprayed. And we're just going to empty that out. Sorry for the delay, guys. I'm back with my spatula so I can get this good and scraped out so we're not forgetting any of this goodness right here, because this stuff is so tasty and so simple. Trying to go with a simple theme here. So now this is ready. We're going to pop it in the oven on 375. And when you want it to start turning golden brown, you can use a toothpick, pop it in there. If it comes out clean, you know you're good to go. Oh, you started? Oh well. Hey guys, so our shortbread cooks. We're going to take the caps off of our strawberries. We're going to cut them in half, or you can do slices. However you want to do it, whatever you feel like. But I'm just going to top them off, cut them in half, and then I'll show you guys what I do next to them. Or you can do this slice.
How nice.
How nice is the slice?
Exactly.
It's whatever you want to do. It's up to you.
It's all good.
So we have our strawberries cut up. Nice little halves. So this is about 2 cups. So my ratio to strawberries is a tablespoon of powdered sugar, or you can use regular sugar, whatever you prefer. But I use powdered sugar, so I got 2 cups of powdered sugar, or 2 cups of strawberries, and I have 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. So the ratio is 1 cup of strawberries to 1 tablespoon of sugar or sweetener of your choice. And then we just mix it in, and this will dissolve and make like a little syrup on top of the strawberries, which will be really nice to add to your shortcake. Now, you just want to stir it up, and then we'll put some saran wrap on top of this and just stick it in the refrigerator. So you just want to make sure most of the powder is gone. And then, like I said, it'll make like a little simple syrup on your strawberries. And now, if your strawberries are super sweet and it's that time of season, I wouldn't even add any sugar. I would just go with it, or maybe just drizzle a little honey on top. Go with it that way. But since we're getting really close to strawberry season, so that's why I added some powdered sugar to mine. But like I said, when we're in strawberry season, strawberries are sweet enough, you don't have to add any sugar. If they've got a good taste, good flavor, I would just run with that, and I wouldn't even add anything unless you want to add just a little bit of honey. So let's wrap this, throw it in the refrigerator while our shortbread is cooking. So we just pulled out our shortcake. I'm gonna slice this up. And this smells so good. And I'm gonna, actually I love the crunchy sides, but for the video, just so it looks a little bit better, I'm gonna get a piece from pretty much the middle. Man, oh man. This smells so good. So good. So I'm gonna take and slice down the middle. And then we're gonna start building our shortcake. I have some strawberry puree. I'm gonna add that puree here. If you will go to our strawberry cream pie recipe, you will find out how to make whipped cream from scratch, and it tastes so much better. So we're just gonna put some of that there. And then our shortcake on top. And then I'm gonna add some more strawberry puree. And you just take some strawberries and honey, add it to a food processor, pulse it several times, and you want it to still be chunky. And then we're gonna add our whipped cream, our homemade whipped cream, top that. And then I'm just gonna add some fresh strawberries on these corners, just to kind of garnish it up nicely. And then we can add some other bigger ones around the plate, just so you get plenty of strawberry with your shortcake. Ooh, we had one fall off. Guess I didn't push it in there enough. But then I'm gonna take that juice and just kind of drizzle it on top of your whipped cream. I'm telling you, this is so tasty and delicious. It's amazing. And it's so easy and simple. Wasn't this simple? Do I need to say more? I mean, homemade whipped cream, fresh strawberries, and we are almost in season. So good, so tasty. Thanks for watching today. We want to thank all of our subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And make sure you do the 3 S's. Smash that like button, share with your family and your friends, subscribe, and then set your little notification so that when we release a new video, you are the first ones to watch it. Thank you so much, and God bless.